So the standard set the remote open at 100%, close at 100%, open plus 10%, close minus 10%. The rest of the scale is only for opening at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90%. The name of each button is duplicated on the screen, so it shows which was the last button pressed. We disable 2 motors, for example, and we press the button. These buttons raise the window up by 5 mm and lower it down by 5 mm. Since it's closed right now, by the way, we'll probably turn it on. And we'll raise it up 1 time. So you can adjust the window. We can move it up and down. Our buttons to close. So I just opened it 30%, 60, and 75. Maybe I'll reassign them now. This is to close it at 100%. Basically, what else is possible? To change the amount of code in millimeters, either we increase it or we decrease it. To be more precise, we do this more slowly. We have calculated the window movement for 5,000, so we set it to 5,000. For confirmation, we pressed it, everything's fine, everything works. As I mentioned, we can turn on 1 motor at a time. This is the left motor, and this is the right motor. The button turns it on and turning it off disables it, so only 1 motor will work. There are sensors in the system, limit switches. They are triggered by these magnets. It's specially printed and stuck on the side that you need. This part can be done. It's currently on double-sided tape, but ideally you'll need to stick it however you like. When this magnet somewhere around 3-4 minutes reaches the sensor, the system stops smoothly and then it rolls back from that sensor by about 5 mm. I made the rollback very, very slowly so that nothing gets misaligned and no window cracks. So this can happen within 1 minute. Basically, there are no other systems. Let's give it a try. We'll start with S. So we have the buttons. We press the top one. We can see all the confirmations on the screen. Each division is 20%, so it turns out to be 30. It ends up somewhere around here. There's the next button for 60%. Here's the last one on the date. I also want to draw your attention to this. During the operation, you can press other buttons. Then the counter, of course. It will work a bit differently than it should. But for example, if you need to suddenly stop the window, yes, you can press the down button, for instance. That's it. The system will stop and move back by 5 mm. Now you can make adjustments. Right now we have about 60% here. Let's raise it up. Move up. %. We need to make it another 40. So we press the button for 40%. We should stop right here. This is the end point, where there will be a couple of centimeters left to these sensors. That is, if for some reason the window started in an unclosed state, then 100%. When you open it, this sensor will activate and it will slowly start to go down. Right now, our window is open at 100% and we can also close it. Well, in this case, let's close it with remote control. Opening and closing are displayed on the screen. While the system is running, let me explain further that all the wires for the connections are located down here. We have a unit, 220 volts and a button to turn it on. Heat. Terminal blocks, which you can use to connect and attach wires. They come with a key, so you won't mix up the direction. This is convenient for transportation and the main unit. This one will be covered with a protective casing on top. Basically, the system is as simple as possible. We'll set up the system and made an extra hole to add a wire for debugging so we can flash the controller.